Want to add camera movement in CapCut PC? In this video, I'll guide you through how to add manual camera movement step by step using keyframes in CapCut PC. Start by importing your video into CapCut and dragging it onto the timeline. Next, go to the top left menu and click on Text. From there, add the default text and change the text to a simple dot. Increase the size of the dot and place it in the center of the screen. This will be your visual reference point to help you align and track your motion. Stretch this dot layer to cover the full length of your video clip. Don't worry, we'll remove it later. This is just to help you follow the motion accurately. Now, click on the video layer you want to apply the camera movement to. Make sure your playhead is at the start of the timeline. Go to the top right panel where you see position and size settings. Click on the diamond icon next to position. This adds a keyframe at that point in time. Now move the playhead forward to where you want to start tracking motion. For example, if you're tracking a moving object like a ball, move to the moment it begins moving. Once you're there, zoom in slightly and adjust the position of the video clip so the object stays centered using your dot as a reference. Because you already added one keyframe, CapCut will automatically create a new keyframe when you make any changes. Keep moving forward through the timeline, frame by frame or every few seconds, and adjust the zoom and position to keep the focus on the moving subject. Once you're happy with the movement, go ahead and delete the dot layer by selecting it and pressing delete. Now when you play back the video, you'll see that the camera appears to follow the subject, giving you a professional motion-tracked effect. That's how you create camera movement in CapCut PC using manual keyframes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tutorials.